The water of the Tungabhadra River near the Hammigi Barrage backwaters and Korlahalli Bridge in Gadag district suddenly turned green, raising concerns among the local residents. The incident has primarily affected the villages and towns that rely on this water for drinking and agricultural purposes. The Hammigi Bridge cum barrage, constructed under the Shingattaluru lift irrigation project, supplies water to key areas including the twin cities of Gadag, Betagiri, Mundaragi and Srihatti. Farmers along the river bank commonly use this water for irrigation. However, with the water turning green, there is growing anxiety about its potential impact on crops. Fields irrigated with this water have reportedly turned completely green, increasing concerns about possible damage to agriculture. The situation has also raised worries about public health, with locals fearing adverse effects on both people and livestock. Locals suspect that the green coloration could be caused by the discharge of industrial waste or polluted water from factories located along the Tungabhadra River. Residents have urged authorities to take immediate action, requesting them to collect water samples and send them for laboratory testing to determine the cause of the pollution. Prompt action is considered critical to address the concerns of the affected communities.
ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗಭದ್ರಾ ನದಿ ಇದೆ. ಆ ನದಿ ನೀರು ಈಗ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಕಾರಣ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲರ್ ಹಸಿರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಕುಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಯೋಗ್ಯವಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೂ ದನಕರುಗಳಿಗೂ ಯೋಗ್ಯವಲ್ಲ. ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹಸಿರು ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಸಿರಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಬಂದು ನೀರನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಲ್ಯಾಬಿಗೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಹಿರಂಗವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು ನೀರು ಯೋಗ್ಯ ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದು. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಂದು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಅದು ಏನಂತಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ.